In this video, we have demonstrated how you can enter into service mode and reset the maintenance tank of Canon Pro series printers. So let's get started with how to go into service mode in Canon Pro series printers. Press and hold the power button. Once on, press the four corners of the screen as shown. Keep hold on the power button for 2 more seconds and then release. That means, the printer will start with blinking notification light. That means, your printer is now in service mode. To check, scroll down the menu and at the bottom you'll see the service mode option. Now, let's see how to reset the maintenance tank from service mode. This process includes 2 steps. First, cleaning the maintenance tank, and second, resetting the usage system. Please note that it is important to clean the maintenance tank on regular basis to avoid any inconvenience. First, remove the maintenance tank from the printer and remove the ink from it. Then open the cartridge and remove the ink pad from it. After removing ink pad, put some tissue inside it to soak the ink while in use. Now close the cartridge and insert it in the printer. Go to the service mode, and select printer status. Now select other consumable usage log, and choose maintenance cartridge usage option. Here it shows the 60% usage of maintenance cartridge is done. Now, click on reset, and execute the process. After completion, you can see the usage being reset to 0. This is how you can easily enter into service mode and reset the maintenance tank of Canon Pro series printers.